Most of us get hundreds of emails every single day, many of which are marketing emails that get deleted or ignored, which might make you wonder, is anybody reading all of these emails? Fair question, but it actually should make you wonder, am I missing out by not sending a newsletter for my business? And the answer is yes. Hi, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a newsletter for your business. So let's begin. Let's get the stats first. Email marketing generates an amazing 36-to-1 ROI. That's a higher return than SEO marketing or pay-per-click advertising. For efficient and effective email operation, the first rule of thumb is that your newsletter should be 90% educational and only 10% promotional. You want to convince users to click open even if a sale isn't an immediate result. Maybe they just want to read a piece of blog content, a quick how-to guide, or maybe a collection of industry news. It really depends on your niche. If you need some inspiration to help you imagine what newsletter content might be right for your business, consider using Venngage, as it provides pre-designed newsletter templates and is filled with content to take inspiration from. With the online template editor, you can customize these templates in just a few minutes. And download them in any format you like. Rule number 2 of newsletter content, keep it brief. An email is not the place for article-length content. And remember that most people learn what they need from headlines. So make sure your content is simple enough that the reader can skim it and still get the point. That's why the New York Times sums up its headlines at the very top of its daily newsletter. It's also why these two newsletters include charts and infographics for the readers to quickly digest the main message. Rule number 3, pick one primary call to action. This goes along with keeping it simple. You don't want to overwhelm the reader with too many options. Of course, you can have additional links, but every newsletter should have one main action that uses a prominent CTA button to hammer home. And lastly, your email needs a good subject line. Now, the question is, how are you going to send it? You never want to send a newsletter from your personal or business email. Why not? For starters, you risk your personal email being labeled as spam, which can hurt the delivery of all of your emails in the future. You need a professional email tool to handle all of the back-end legal requirements for sending promotional emails. And now, who are you going to send newsletters to? Hopefully, your business already has a list of past clients and potential leads just waiting to hear from you. For years, it's been widely accepted that the best email lists use double opt-in to ensure a high-quality list. But a 2020 study revealed that businesses that use single opt-in lists see an ROI that is almost double the ROI using lists that are mainly double opt-in. Look, setting up a confirmation email isn't a bad idea when collecting new subscribers on your site, but the idea is if you already have a collection of legitimate emails that are single opt-in, go ahead and send them your newsletter. The data proves that your overall ROI will be higher. And that's a wrap for today's guide. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.